Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure and honor to be here and to chair this session on ICT for Rural Development and Panchayats. I am Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Rural Development, and I look after the ICT applications in rural development. We have, I think, very little time available, and we have good number of very good panelists who would like to share a lot of things with you. I'll just set the ball rolling. In Ministry of RD, we have a very complex web of tasks. We have more than 17 crore rural population living in 9 lakh habitations, and we implement for them a variety of programs, which are, some of them are beneficiary oriented, some of them are project oriented, some of them are area oriented, and altogether the basket of programs that we implement has a size of almost 90,000 crores a year. And that throws up, let's say, both very good opportunities and a very complex web of challenges. It throws up very good opportunities in the sphere of applications that can be made from the ICT world, and we are making some of the applications, making use of some of the applications. You have heard of the one of the very popular programs, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, where we are reaching out to 5 crores, more than 5 crore rural families. We give them, last year we managed to give them employment for 54 days. Under the law, we are supposed to provide them employment to the limit of 100 days per household. So last year we managed to give employment for 54 days. We have launched a new scheme of National Rural Livelihood Mission, where we propose to enroll one family member of a BPL, below the poverty line, household into self-help groups who would be expected to engage in income generating activities, who would, let's say, be the precursors of micro enterprises, business enterprises. That's one big area which we have just started, the National Rural Livelihood Mission. Then we have a big infrastructure program called Prime Minister Gramin Sadak Yojana, where we have the ambitious task of connecting 9 lakh habitations and lay down something like 2.5 lakh kilometers of roads. That's a big ambitious target that we have. That also touching all habitations, which is under 500, which is not less than 500 population. Then an area-based program, which is very interesting, very useful, which addresses a very important problem of soil erosion and decline in the loss in soil productivity, which is the integrated watershed management program, where we select areas on the basis of watersheds and initiate infrastructure and livelihood activities. That's also happening all over the country, particularly in dryland areas. So likewise, we have a big menu of programs, and they have tremendous scope for applications of ICT, and we are not experts in ICT. We seek services of experts of ICT, right from the stage of data capture to, let's say, data validation, extraction of data, transformation of data, loading of data into the data warehouse, data mining, having analytics support for decision making. These are the issues in the ICT domain that we are grappling with, and we require and we seek expert assistance on this. I'm very happy that the panelists over here have very wide-ranging experience, both from government and non-government, and I expect that we would be able to gain a lot of ideas on how we can go ahead and how we are doing things. Some of them, in fact, in the government domain are doing a lot of things which they would be explaining. I'll not take much of the time because we are quite in big number. So I'll invite Dr. R. Sivakumar. He is head of the Natural Resources Data Management System Division, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. He would present his case.